Hey all, welcome to RPA Feed. In this session, we'll be looking at OCR Package in A360. So I have created one task and named it as OCR Package. Now I'll bring up the OCR actions. So we have currently 4 actions under the OCR package. So as the name suggests, OCR, the full form of OCR is optical character recognition, and what it does is it extracts the text from images or PDF documents. So we will see one by one all these actions. Okay, so first of all, let me drag and drop the capture image by path, let's say. So once I drag and drop this, it needs a path of the image from which you wish to extract the data, extract the text. So here I have one image, so let me copy this path and paste it here. And upload it to the control room. And if you do not wish to upload the file to the control room, then you can go for desktop file. But let's say we have uploaded this file, and what we need is we need to extract the data out of this image file. Okay, then you can filter the captured text as well. We'll see this later. Let's first first run this bot. So select local based on local language, English, Japan, or Russian. That's support available right now for 3 language in this community edition. So we'll keep it as is, and then we'll assign the value to one of the variable. We'll create a variable that stores the value of the OCR text. Okay, so let's name it as a string s OCR value. Okay, or a value from image. We can give it a meaningful name. It's value from image. Create it, and let's display that value in a message box. Okay, s value from image, and let me run this bot. So what should it give? It should give me the text from the image file, skills for RPA development. So as you can see here, this is my image file, skills for RPA developer, and that's what we get it message box. Skills for RPA developer, we got in the same format how it is written in this image, and we have also got this 6:59, as it was also a text that was part of this image file. Let me close this. Now we want to use the filter, so let me filter on RPA. Let me close this, and let's go here, filter the captured text. So for example, now let me open up the image again. If let's say we want to extract RPA, so what we can do here is in the filter text, before and after, we will specify before developer and after for. Okay, so for is my after text and before text would be developer. So we need to extract RPA from this. We need to filter on RPA from this text. So let's see, let's run this now. Trim the captured text so that any spaces are removed. Let's run this. We should get a value as RPA. What is running now? And yeah, we got this value RPA, as this is before developer and after for. Okay, so it is working exactly as we wanted it to work. Let's close this now. And now let's go back to OCR actions. So we have used capture image by path. Similarly, capture image by URL. We can use this as well if we wish to extract the text from an image based on the URL. So it will work similar to this. Instead of here, it is taking the path of the file, it will take the image URL of the file. That's the only difference. So you can figure this out. You can play around this. If you face any challenge, you can comment down below. Okay, so I'll disable this action for now. Now let's try to see capture window and capture area, these 2 actions. So capture window, as the name suggests, it extracts the text from the specified window. For example, let me drag and drop this here. As soon as I drag and drop here, you see browser or application. You can specify any of the application from where you want to extract the text, or you can specify a browser from where you want to extract certain text. So let me refresh this and choose A360 coding standard. It's a blog. on rpfeed.com. So I have specified that window. So this is my blog which I've written on A360 coding standards and guidelines. So we are instructing the OCR action command to extract all this text. Here you can see there is an image as well. So let's see how it works. And we will assign the value to one of the variable. Let me create one more variable, s value from window. Create it. So here in the message box we will specify s value from window, and let value from image be there. We know the value would be RPA for this. Let's run this now. So what bot will do is it will go here, it will extract the text available on this URL or on this window. We have specified this browser window, right? We have specified it to extract the value from this browser window. So let's see how it works. And this is how we got the RPA. That's a text from previous variable, and we got this hi A360 coding standard and GUIX. So there is some problem wherever it is not able to extract. It is getting it is giving us this kind of text, right? However, most of the part it is unable to extract here. That's what we got, right? So if you see here, it is not extracting all this plain text, right? So we have to tweak that, or we have to identify what is a good. So this is not a very good example of getting that text extracted. Okay. So however, let me use the another method here. Let's use this action capture area. So let me drag and drop this. For now I'll disable this command, and in capture area, as the name suggests, it helps you to extract text from a specific area in your application, in your browser application or any other desktop application, right? So let me again choose the same browser, A360 coding standard, and over there we will capture a region. So I want to extract the text from this region, let's say. Okay, so just notice the mouse pointer. It says drag your mouse to select a rectangle, then right click to save and exit. And if you have by mistakenly chosen any wrong area, you can simply press escape key. Okay, so let me go again and drag the mouse. I want to extract this text, and I'll simply right click so that it is captured. And now when we run this, from this image it will extract the text. The rest of the options remain similar, like filtering options, trimming options, and this time we'll save it to the same variable, value from window, let's say. Okay, so let me choose it, value from window. Let's print that. So now we should get the value whatever it was there in the text image, that is A360 coding standards and guidelines. We should get this text, and here we get RPA. This is from the previous text, then A360 coding standards and guidelines. So this works perfectly fine. So that's all in a nutshell about OCR packages, and all the files that it supports are, I will flash them, mostly JPG, PNG, bitmap file. These are the files that it supports. Okay, that's all guys for this video. In case you have liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.